Hey y'all, this is Jessica at Casa Magnolia, and today's video is going to be a clean with me, showing you what I do every Monday. This is a fresh start day where I do a couple of easy things to refresh my house from the weekend and get ready for the week ahead. So if you want to see my quick and easy Monday cleaning routine, just keep on watching. So the first thing I do is go around and turn on all of my Scentsy so that I can get that wax warming up and change them out later on. And this is in our water closet in the master bedroom. And I'm going to get out our sheets and towels to change those out. I had some questions about my linen closet that I shared last week and that we didn't have any sheets or towels in there. I keep all the towels in whichever bathroom they go in, and then I just keep our extra sheets with whatever bedroom that they go in. Okay, who has already changed out their bedding to like light colored springy bedding? I keep seeing everyone with these really cute light colors, and it makes me want to go out and get some pink sheets or something. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have got to clean my duvet cover. It is just such a chore to get it all ironed out again though. If you guys have any tips on ironing your king size duvet cover, leave them down below because it is such a pain. And I also change out Evelyn's sheets and her sleep sack that she uses every Monday, and more of course if there's any accidents or something. And just a reminder too, if you keep a passy in the crib, don't forget to change those out quite often because those can get really germy. I am going to change her towels out in the guest bathroom because we do use that bathroom sometimes. And by this time all of my wax is melted. I just stick a cotton ball in to absorb the old wax and put some new in. And then I need to change out all of the little trash cans around the house, in our bathrooms and laundry room and office, etc. And then because Monday is my grocery day and Tuesday is our trash day, I'm just going to go look through the fridge for some leftovers that maybe need to be thrown out and are getting yucky. And finally, I like to do at least one of the things that have to be done once a week. So today I'm going to clean out Evelyn's humidifier and change out the water in that because that needs to be done about once a week. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see how I do that. That's it, guys. I will leave a list of everything I did today plus my weekly cleaning schedule written out in the description box below. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.